こんにちは、山田です。今回は山形県のうまいラーメン5選をやっていこうと思います。特に山形市はラーメン消費量が日本一になったりしているので、人気のラーメン屋さんが多いイメージがありますね。それではご覧ください。
guess it's just the way it was supposed to be. Just felt like it was running thick in here for me. Well, you know, Angel here. I must admit there was something in the way you looked at me. You were a mess and you know that. So take the blame, you were never mine. Too long. Why did you think would happen when you're cold to me? Turning back to back, the nights were so empty. Yeah, clothes they smell so fine, body was not your thing. Come on, do me a favor. You must admit that you love that. You know the worst thing about fakers is when they're crawling home begging. I don't think so. I must admit there was something in the way you looked at me. You were a mess and you know that. So take the blame, you were never mine. Well, that was it, we were trying to leave. Then the fact is you're not me.
いやー、今日ご紹介したラーメン屋さんは全て美味しかったです。山形のラーメンはまだまだ美味しいところがたくさんあるので、別の機会にご紹介できればと思います。それでは本日もご視聴ありがとうございました。